Hello everybody, today I am going to speak about light in Unreal Engine for beginners. And I am going to speak about all type of this light, directional light, point light, spotlight, and all type of this lights. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. This is level design. I make this video and tutorial how to create this nice level, and you can see this video in description, or you can check it the top right of this corner. Before we start, I need to duplicate this level. Just we need to make copy of this level. Now don't save. Oh, sorry. Save. Okay. Before you start with light, you need to check up about setting, and you need to go to a project setting, and you need to activate something. First one, you need to type DirectX, enable this one, DirectX 12, and make sure to go to rendering and go to global illumination and choose this Lumen. Okay. And under Lumen, you use hardware ray tracing when available. Okay, check it. And choose from here ray lighting mode, choose surface cache. Okay, and go to shadow and choose shadow map method, virtual shadow map beta. Close this one. So now I need to delete all kind of light in this sequence. Light, directional light, skylight. From here, if you go to this menu and you will see all kind of this tab. If you go to this section light, you will see all type of this light. If you don't see this type of light like that, you need to go to window and load layout and choose Unreal Engine 4 classic layout. Okay, and it will appear for you. So we need to choose this icon light. So we don't need this one. Okay, so this is first one is directional light. So if you come here, choose sky. I need to remove sky atmosphere. Okay, and light, directional light. Any one, we need to delete all of this light. Directional light. There is no light here now. So we will start with first one, directional light. If you make this, it will see this result. So we can reduce or increase or decrease this type of light from here. This one, intensity. Look, if you make your mouse move like that, okay, so you can increase or decrease. So if you make it like half, you will see this one. Okay, so cause we choose the directional light, you will see this one. If you need to increase directional light, and you can increase this one to be 1, you can remove it. You can rotate this light from here, or you can Control L from keyboard like that, and you can, if you can top of this corner down, you will rotate this type of light. You can come here, up and down. If you need to be here, look, every here, look what happened. So you can, from here, you can choose the color of which color you need to choose here, or you can check temperature to be warm or be hot or something like this. So I'm going to delete this one, and I need to go to second type of light. This is point light. So this point light, as you like here, as you see in this one, you need to make this one, this kind of point light. Okay, you can increase or decrease the intensity like this. So, and this is our light. But if you need to make radius, you can increase from here and see what happened here, or you can duplicate this one with Alt and increase or decrease your light here, okay, like this. Oh, or you need to make light for this point here. For example, if I get this one and increase radius, and I need to come here to see what kind of shadow you will see. If you are here now, look for this shadow for this person. Look here, shadow coming from here, or you can come here, or if you need to be in the top like the sun here, okay, or you can do your shadow like ghost or something like this. So we need to increase this radius, and you need to increase intensity, or you can choose the type of color for light here. So now like that, look what kind of shadow, like sun, okay, here. So you can duplicate this light here now, so decrease it a little bit to be look nice, and you need to duplicate this one else and see, look cinematic a little bit. So this is kind of flight point light. You can increase or decrease everything. So look here, or to be a little bit for ghost, or a little bit fire, you can put it here in this place. So third kind of light and spotlight. What kind of spotlight? Look here, this is spotlight. If I come here and draw this one, okay, so I need to increase the light, same as point light, but you can increase or decrease the cone angle. Look here, look, this is cone angle, and you can increase this. Oh, okay, this is, so if you are here, you look, and you can rotate this one or as you like that. Rotate this one, increase or decrease the value for light, and I'm here to increase or declare. Look, if you are here is this, and if you need to duplicate this one else, or you are here and duplicate this one, this point, or you can come from here as you like. You can control this kind of light. After that we have rectangular light, and this is the best light. I like to use it here. So look here, and if you look for this one, this is directional light. You can use it like softbox in studio, or look here, this is, look now, if you press G, you can hide or show the cursor. Now if you look here, this is directional light. I will increase a little bit value, and you can control the size of it, source, look, and width, and you can increase or decrease the value of this one. This is height, and this is like softbox for any cinematic photos. you can use it. And I need to increase it a little bit, and radio, look, you can use this one in nice game or cinematic photo or anything. If you come here, look, in this place we need to increase this light to this point. Come here and look, put it in this place, look here, and we need to duplicate this one to be in the background. Look, cinematic photo. So we need to increase it a little bit or decrease it, and you can change the type of color. Look, and you can change anything as you like. So you can merge two kind of light here like that, or you can, for example, here we don't need this one, and increase radius. Look here, for example, here you can put this light in this place, to make light for this corridor like that. Wow, I love it, but you need to increase it a little bit. We need to come here and put this one and duplicate it again. Really so nice. And we need to come to this place again, put it here. So look, if you need to increase, you can. If you need to make radius, you can make it like this, and come here. All of this will be nice. So you can press Ctrl L like this if you have directional light. Really amazing. If you come in this place, you will see from top, you will see what is like, is make nice and amazing feeling in your game. So if you look here and I come to this place, look, I draw my road with nice light and a little bit wow. But if you come here, there is no light. You can duplicate any kind of light. You can make this alt and move this one to this area and change the color to as you want. For example, here, so look for this light, and you can increase. For example, if this lamp is have a blue color or something like this, you can change it as you want. And I will continue all kind of type and how can you play with lights and all option for light, and we will play with all kind like Skylight and HDRI light, and we will control and play with all setting for this light in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to like for my video, and if this is the first time at my channel, don't forget to subscribe for my channel, and see you in the part 2 for light experience. Salam alaikum.